Mobile order and pickup.
You'll use every one of these in a real cafe. Slow first, fast at the end.
Hi, I ordered online for pickup. Hi, I ordered online for pickup.
Great. What's the name on the order? Great. What's the name on the order?
It's under Mia. It's under Mia.
Let me take a look. Let me take a look.
Is my order ready yet? Is my order ready yet?
Almost. It'll be just another minute. Almost. It'll be just another minute.
No rush. Take your time. No rush. Take your time.
Thanks for your patience. Thanks for your patience.
Where do I pick it up? Where do I pick it up?
On the shelf to your left. On the shelf to your left.
Oh, I see it. Thanks. Oh, I see it. Thanks.
You're all set. You're all set.
Is this the oat latte? Is this the oat latte?
Yes, that's the one for Mia. Yes, that's the one for Mia.
Perfect. Just making sure. Perfect. Just making sure.
Good call. Always double check. Good call. Always double check.
I think one item is missing from my order. I think one item is missing from my order.
Let me check the bag for you. Let me check the bag for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Found it. Here you go. Found it. Here you go.
Got everything. Thanks for your help. Got everything. Thanks for your help.
Anytime. Have a great one. Anytime. Have a great one.
You too. See you next time. You too. See you next time.
See you. See you.
I ordered online for pickup. It's under Mia. Is my order ready yet? No rush. Take your time. Where do I pick it up? You're all set. Is this the oat latte? Just making sure. One item is missing from my order. Found it. Here you go. Got everything. Thanks for your help. See you next time.